My name's James Maloney.
My name is Mark Taylor Jr.
Cool. My name is Rowan.
My name is Karina Thomas.
So my name's Dan Holloway.
My name is Barbara.
Before I started my online business, I was in the management consulting industry.
I was working 3 jobs.
An environmental consultant.
I was volunteering on a permaculture farm.
So I had a career in corporate software sales.
I used to work for a elementary school as a nurse's assistant.
Before I started my online business, I knew absolutely nothing, and I knew it was a massive knowledge gap for me. So yeah, pretty much zero.
Before I started my online business, I knew basically very little.
Before I started this business, how much did I know about online marketing? Nothing. I knew absolutely nothing. I think that the affiliate model really was presented to me when I had no clue what I was looking at, but really just the idea of what it could give me.
So before I started, I actually knew nothing about online business. I had never ever done anything like this before. I mean, the most I knew about it was eBay and Facebook. I had a Facebook account, so I knew nothing about affiliate marketing or anything to do with anything.
The amount that I knew about affiliate marketing was literally non-existent, nothing at all.
Before I started this, I knew nothing about online marketing. It wasn't a field that I was even interested in at first, but now I love it.
How is my life different now to how it was before? It's really a world apart. I was always a happy guy, I was always an ambitious guy, driven guy, still the case, but I don't work a single day a week, and I work 7 days a week because I love what I do. And I also get to choose when I work, so in the evening, in the morning, and one of my biggest pet peeves about the corporate world was having to work on a Sunday or work in the evening when I had to. And now I choose to do that if I want to, and I don't work a single day in my life.
My wife and I are no longer working a regular 9-to-5 job, and we also are partners in our businesses together, and it's providing like us with more happiness and fulfillment in our marriage and in life, just being able to work together.
How's my lifestyle different now to before I started this? You know, it's one of those questions that I think so much has changed, it's hard to really put a value on it, but like I travel around a lot, I'm surrounded with incredible people, I'm actually living the lifestyle that I actually want to live, but more importantly, I'm connecting with the people that I'm really grateful to be connecting with. So,
like my life is different now because I just feel like I'm on the right track. Like I finally feel like for the first time in my life, I'm doing something for me and not for anyone else, and I'm on track, and I feel inspired every day, and every day I'm growing. So yeah, my life, I wasn't growing, I wasn't inspired for so long, and now I have that, so yeah.
I mean, it's such a contrast when I think back to 12 months ago. I was in corporate software sales, and back then I was working 70 hours per week, corporate job. Now I've been traveling all over America. I've been to so many places this year. It's been a completely different contrast. It's been amazing.
My life is different now because I have an enormous amount of friends that I didn't have before, and I'm in a way better space in my life, and I'm ready to take on new things that I haven't experienced before, and I'm ready to just dive into anything that gets handed to me. I'm ready.
The best thing that's happened to me because of being here and of this change is just cementing my belief in self and my desire to truly serve others. I think a lot of people pay lip service to the concept of enlightened self-interest, which means helping others to help yourself. And if I look at my old self, I was definitely paying lip service to that. So I said that I wanted to help others, but deep down it really was about me. And I've had a perspective shift to genuinely want to help others. And if it comes back to me, wonderful. If it doesn't, that's okay as well, because I'm here to serve. And that's been the best thing I could ever ask for.
The best thing that's happened to me is watching my wife evolve. It's the happiest feeling I can feel. I'm getting goosebumps now talking about it. Just watching her grow in such a short period of time is very exciting for me, and I'm very proud of her and happy for her. And I see some big things coming for her too. Like, this is only the beginning, you know, so I'm very excited.
The best thing that's happened to me since doing all this is I just love myself more. Like, that's it. I feel so much more confident and comfortable in my skin.
The best thing that's happened because of this change is probably, it's not the money. I mean, a lot of people come into this for the money, but it's really about who you have to become in order to make this a success. It's the personal development, it's the mindset, and that bleeds into other areas of your life. You know, relationships, the way you see yourself, your confidence. So I think the biggest change has been my own mind.
I had a real shy past and no courage, and this whole week has given me the courage to not be shy anymore, to speak up, to let everyone hear my voice.